Hey, have you ever seen such aggressive birds in your life as this? For real? Is it just me? Hey, what's up? iBundangbear here at the South Colton Cemetery. You want to be on film? Holy shit, look at this bird is like... That's my boy Southern Yankee 315, right? Southern Yankee 315 in South Colton. And we're checking out this historic cemetery, ghost hunter number 1, and these birds absolutely, I mean, full on attacked us, right? I mean, these birds, I mean, they straight up attacked us. I mean, it was weird, wasn't it? I thought it was a bat at first. What are they? Warbler. They're black. They're dark. They're like dark chickadees.
I have no idea. They're
How bizarre. What do you think they're? Okay, and also, hey, a shout out to Ghost Hunter number 10 in the UK. You wanted me to do a walkthrough. So these are some really old graves. We gotta be quiet. We're gonna be. This is for Ghost Hunter number 10 in England. We're gonna be quiet for like. Oh my God! Ah! Are you serious? This is no joke. These birds are evil. Dude, this is no joke. Is it just me? You're not normally attacked by birds, are you?
First time this has ever happened.
Me too. Oh, this is for Ghost Hunter number 10. We're going to keep it... Holy crap. We're going to keep it silent for at least 10 seconds. So, Ghost Hunter, did you get an EVP from that? Let me know. These attacking birds. Oh my God. Make for a great video. Attack of the birds in the cemetery. I have never seen anything like this in my lifetime.
Not to walk down this way.
I'm gonna get you. I feel like even threatening them would. Oh no. Well,
What is your beef with me, man?
they don't. I guess we better get out of here, man. These birds are creepy. Do you think they're spirits? I mean, do you believe in any of that?
Possibly.
That's a good answer.
I know that.
Okay, watch this. We're just gonna walk out of here and watch the birds come after us. Are they? I guess not. Well. I mean, these birds are angry. Angry birds. For real.
Dad, if you're watching this video, has this ever happened to you?
I must think they're guarding something in the... Maybe they're just guard birds. Well, that's my cemetery video as requested. I love my people. I love my birds. I don't know so much when they come at me like that.